When I was starting out solo on a big ADV bike, there was a certain level of anxiety about getting caught out in a remote area, whether it be on steep loose hills or in a wet boggy valley. Being solo in areas without people or mobile reception, it's hard to commit to some routes when you get there to the steep hill or a long bog hole and see something that sets off your alarm bells and has you turning around. It's a defeating feeling, and when alone, turning around is probably your best bet. I've decided to put together this series to show the terrain, challenges and conditions of the trails at the time of publishing. A sort of guide to help others riders figure out whether they want to tackle a certain road or trail solo, and help alleviate some of the doubt involved with the mind's perception of the unknown, challenging their riding skills in new terrain on a big bike. At the end of the day, the safest way to attempt these routes is with a group, and always carrying some snacks, water, tools, first aid kit and some form of satellite communication on your person. There is no implied responsibility taken with this information. Motorcycling in any environment is a dangerous activity to be partaken in at your own risk. So sit back and enjoy as I show a particular dirt road or trail in its entirety that I've ridden lately. And I'll go through a short rundown at the end of the video pointing out conditions and challenges to look out for, rate each section on difficulty for myself as an average rider, and ultimately answer the question, is this route big bike friendly? Oh, it's better. It's actually a bit cool. You're coming in hot in the wrong gear. Yeah, see, fingers are still getting cold from the breeze. It's sunny, I'm sweating, I'm warm, but my fingers are burning. pretty fun. Weird, I'm not sweep anymore. Ed's gone sweep now, so now I'm in the middle of the pack. Slightly less dust, bit more opportunity to have some fun. Mount Werong Road is a fast-flowing route that runs in a northwest to southeast direction through the Blue Mountains National Park. The corners are mostly fast sweeps, but there is still the odd tight corner to catch you out if you're not paying attention. The area sees a bit of traffic from tourists and motorcycles as it is access to a few campgrounds including the Urandary Ghost Town. The surface mainly consists of loose gravel over a hard-packed base. There is a few skatey sections to keep you on your toes. I'm not sure how wet weather affects this route as I've only travelled it 2 times and both times it was the same time of year and a year apart and the conditions were very similar. There are many embedded rocks, shallow ruts, shallow washouts and a few potholes to navigate and most of them lie in wait on the corners. This trail is relatively easy and probably a 1 out of 5 on the scale of the hardest places I've ridden. Personally, I think this trail is definitely big bike friendly even for beginners and would suit a progressive approach as you gain experience with full speed dirt road riding. Anyway, thanks for watching, hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.